All right, we got a cougarette, Brindley, here. She's a national champion, and she's going to tell us how Upper Cervical Care changed her life.
I had a lot of lower back pain that was restricting me from dancing. It led me to being taken out of routines for nationals because my coaches were worried about my pain in my back and not being able to excel to my best ability, and a lot of doctors were telling me that if PT didn't work, the only other option would be surgery, and that was extremely scary. But then when I came here, we found that a lot of my pain in my back was coming from my upper cervical neck, and just a little bit of chiropractic work on that led me to a lot of relief.
It's incredible to see her story. So when she came into me, she didn't have any symptoms in her neck, but that's one area I'm going to look at. So the back pain was legit. She had a compressed joint, and it was making her disc dehydrated. So we knew that area needed some work, but she'd had that worked on so many times and it wasn't changing everything. So when we looked at her neck, there was so much tension, it was on your right side. And it caused a tension that should go up all the way down her paraspinal muscle on this side, making her hip pull up, and it compressed the joint there. So she's got this big competition. Last year, the BYU Cougars won, and now that she's still in tip-top shape, she's gonna be doing her best and they're gonna do awesome. Tell us how it felt after we did that.
After the first adjustment, it was like a world of difference. Even just like with one little adjustment, I was seeing so much difference and like more room and ability to move in my back, something that I hadn't felt in a year.
Yeah, and so in our clinic, we just had to work on her neck, her back pain, and her ability to dance increased a ton. We then went on and swept up some of the leftover problem in her back, but most of it was coming from her neck. And it's so awesome to see. So even though you went to a PT, did the cortisone shot, surgery was the only way out, turns out there was a natural solution, wasn't there?
Mm-hmm.
So thanks for telling your story. She has a national champion competition coming up.